Hey, good morning everyone. Today is Saturday. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed right now because my house is a mess. Already 11:41. I haven't made the bed. I've got a bunch of dishes to wash. And then I still have to take my husband some lunch. I'm also feeling a bit overwhelmed because of my Pilea Pepperoni. I don't know how to pronounce it. So this is my Pilea Pepperoni. And the boys are having fun in the background. I call it Pilea Pepperoni just because it's easier for me to remember the name of it. It's known as a pancake plant because of the leaves. They look like pancakes, I guess. But I feel like it looks like a bunch of green pepperonis. So we're going to call it Pilea Pepperoni here. So I've had this for over a month already and it's grown so much. However, I've seen little flies. I don't know what kind of bugs they are, but it's got little flies and they've been eating it because of all these little holes. A lot of the leaves are nice and flat, like this one. Oh, this one's beautiful. But this one got a little curvy. These new leaves have been like not coming out flat. They're a little curved. And I've got new leaves coming in right here. What I'm gonna do with the Pilea is I am going to repot her. I'm gonna be repotting her because it's got a lot of peat moss. And it's like a really hard surface in there. So I'm thinking some of these are not getting enough water. They're dehydrated. These are signs of her being dehydrated. See how I can put my finger in here, but I can't do it over here at all. It's just not letting the plant breathe. I'm just gonna repot it and wet it and show you guys how I do that. Right now I am having some breakfast. I made some muffins. Let me show you guys. What I did is I used pancake batter and I just put chocolate and I put pumpkin spice. And then I added a little chocolate on top. I sprinkled it with oatmeal and chia seeds. I sliced it in half and I put some maple syrup. This maple syrup right here is the best maple syrup ever. This is from Trader Joe's. Let me show you guys how I make his lunch. Alright, my hair's nappy, but I don't care. It is a beautiful day outside in Oregon. It's like 70 degrees. So we're gonna go take a walk to what we call the jungle. We just arrived. So this is like 5 minutes away from where we live, and we love coming here and walking here. Look how big this leaf is. This is gorgeous. Oh look, we found a small one of those big huge leaves. Chris likes to pull these out and he gets the roots out and then he plants it. The little greenhouse that he's got going on. Cool. I see roots. Hold on, your brother's getting a beautiful plant here.
Hey, I'm on the bridge.
You are on the bridge. Out. Oh, this plant's just gorgeous. Oh, he got it. Oh my god. Ooh, with roots and all. Let me see the roots. This thing's so pretty. I love these plants. And I think these can be indoors because they're in the shade. They're literally like in the shade most of the day.
I like them outside in the shade.
Cool.
And I also got the baby of it. You know, the spikes go into this.
All right. We'll have to find out what that is.
I got the little evolve and the big evolve.
Sweet.
Wow.
So cool. I love those.
These
I'm
are
so excited.
awesome.
I wonder if we can put it in water and it'll still thrive.
Whoa.
It's got some huge roots.
Yeah. So,
All right.
these are what great roots. Are these the roots right here for that one?
For this one, I don't know, but you know, we can just try to plant it and see if it thrives. If it doesn't, we tried. Ooh, this lens is dirty. There you go. Whoa, we've got some ferns over here.
Look at these. These
Ferns.
are cool, really cool. They don't stink.
Look at all these trees. This is just so beautiful. The air out here is super crisp, really clean, just surrounded by nature. It's just so beautiful here.
Let me tell you something. This is a different type of this.
You need someone to hold this? AK-47.
If you feel this, it's
So rough.
so rough.
It's like touching a shark skin.
It's
like shark skin.
It feels like sandpaper.
Yeah.
You know, they grow huge. After they grow huge, they grow more and more and more until they can't stop growing. Never stop growing.
Thanks for telling us that.
Right until it's still alive with another.
Okay, now we're exiting.
From right here.
Yeah.
But it won't stay alive for long because it won't stay alive.
Now we're on to the neighborhood, and
maybe
I'm gonna stop recording now. All right, so we're back, and I need to sneeze. Excuse me. Can someone bless me?
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
This is Nana's all plants. He got them from the jungle, but he's not doing it. But I'm playing ball. Okay. This is what I made now. That's what I made with all these big plants.
Beautiful. If you're ever feeling tired, it's probably because you need a water break. A lot of the times I feel like super fatigued and stuff and tired, and then I drink water, I feel so much better. Water break. This is like 16 ounces. Operation Repot has begun. Let's get the stuff we need. I'm gonna take this. I need a new hose. Handle this with care. Okay, so, oh man, I feel like I just performed open heart surgery.
What happened?
Just the roots, because they were like compact. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here, got a mixture of regular soil, cactus soil, and a lot of perlite. Wait. All right, my friends, so I want to give you guys some tips on pileas, because not only are these plants really beautiful, but they are super easy to maintain. So here are some tips. So you want to allow the soil to dry between waterings, because pileas do not like sitting in soggy soil. Watch the leaves. When they start looking a tad droopy, it's time to water your plant. And then in warmer weather, they need to be watered way more frequently. This plant does not require any extra humidity and does very well in a drier environment. Wah. I repotted the pilea and I put in a deeper pot. I did lose 2 leaves. I lost 1 leaf there and another one over here. And this is like looking pretty slanted. And I got brand new leaf there the other day. So this is gonna look pretty droopy for now. We'll see how it does. I'll keep you guys updated, but it's looking good. This is a week's update on pilea. All right, so here I am with all my baby pileas. This is it right here, the one I repotted. Let me introduce you guys to the family. So when I first bought, excuse me, girl. So when I first purchased my very first pilea, she did come with lots of babies, and she's doing pretty good. This is Pilea baby, and I have her in this pot that my sister sent me, and I just put her in here. She looks perfect in here. Now, yeah, so this was the first baby. So what I did first is I took off the babies and I propagated them in water, and they grew roots and they were long enough, and then I put them in soil. She's doing good. She's got 2 new leaves coming in right here, and she's doing really good. She's looking beautiful. I have this other one right here. This was another smaller version, and this one too has a yellow leaf. Could happen for a lot of reasons. One can be, you know, overwatering, another one just the sun, another one just it happens. So I have this other baby right here in this mug that I don't use, and I just use it for my plants. So I put this one in this container. In this container I had purchased olives, and so I kept the little container and I just drilled some holes on the bottom. Ooh, and it's still dripping. Oh yeah, I just watered it yesterday. It has 2 babies in here, and they've gotten pretty big. Oh, my nose is itchy. The youngest baby right here is this one, and I have her in here, and Troy just woke up, so I'm gonna go get him that. The youngest one out of all the pilea sisters. My experience with pileas has been really awesome. They're just such beautiful plants to have inside my home, and they make great for decoration, and they just uplift my house and uplift my spirits. And this is just one of the plants that I've really fallen in love with. One thing I've learned about plants, the beauty of them is that they are not perfect. Not every plant's gonna be the same. Not every plant is gonna look the same. And that's just the beauty of plants that I have fallen in love with. I can't wait to see where this journey takes me. That's it for this video, you guys. Subscribe and join me. And until next time, you guys, bye.